Hi viewers, this video is on the topic motivation and characteristics of motivation. Motivation is an important element or aspect of directing process, and as we saw in a previous video that I have uploaded, that directing is an important managerial function. So every manager while doing directing has directly or indirectly to do or perform or touch the activity of doing motivation also. So what is motivation? Motivation को हम हिंदी में अभिप्रेरणा बोलते हैं, प्रोत्साहित करना बोलते हैं. So as per a definition by an expert, motivation means an internal feeling that encourages a person to do a particular work. An internal feeling that encourages a person to do a particular work is called motivation as per one definition. According to one more definition, motivation is a process of inspiring people to get the desired results. Again, it is a process of inspiring people. People here means our staff, our employees, our subordinates to get expected or desired results. हमारे जो इच्छित ध्येय हैं, इच्छित हमारे जो गोल हैं, उसको अचीव करने के लिए लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करना, वो प्रोसेस को हम जो है मोटिवेशन कहते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, as far as motivation is concerned, motivation is to be done of employees. Motivation employees का करना रहता है, right? Staff is to be motivated by superiors or managers, and staff is a living being. Staff living entity है, living being है, human being है, and living being has two things, two aspects. One is ability to work, and second one is willingness to work. Okay. Now, as far as ability is concerned, जहां तक ability का सवाल है, while selecting an employee or recruiting an employee through scientific selection, every organization will try to select the best employee, most talented, most efficient, most क्वालिफाइड, एक्सपीरियंस्ड को ही हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे. इसलिए एबिलिटी एस्पेक्ट तो वर्कर में होता है. जो एबल होगा, कॉम्पिटेंट होगा, स्किलफुल होगा, टैलेंटेड होगा, उसी को हम एम्प्लॉय करेंगे. बट व्हाट रिमेन्स टू बी डन इज विलिंगनेस टू वर्क. Willingness to work and ability to work, when get together, you can get desired results as a manager. So, as far as motivation is concerned, it tries to touch the willingness aspect of the employee or the staff concerned. Okay, so that is about motivation. Motivation is an act of stimulating, arousing desire or willingness among employees to do a particular work or to achieve a particular or desired targets or goals or aims is called motivation. तो ये बात हुई मोटिवेशन की मीनिंग और कंसेप्ट की. अब हम उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पर जाते हैं. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मीन्स स्पेशलिटीज, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मीन्स फीचर्स, जो हमें और डिटेल्ड आइडिया मोटिवेशन का देंगे. तो यहाँ अबाउट 9 to 10 characteristics are already outlisted or listed out to save time. So let us begin with number 1. It is internal feeling. Motivation is said to be internal feeling. Internal feeling means it is not something external. Externally, we can see the worker doing optimum or best possible work, but it is the feeling is inside. Feeling is within, right? An employee within our own self, right? It is not external. It is purely internal feeling, right? And that's why we also try to touch the employee internally while doing motivation. Motivation can be done through financial incentives, non-financial incentives, amenities, and so many other ways are there. But through all these ways and means, we try to touch the internal feeling of employee. So it is called internal matter. Motivation is internal. It is considered. It is not something which is external. Number 2, psychological concept. Psychological concept. See, in motivation, we try to arouse, we try to stimulate, we try to create willingness, raise willingness to work of an employee, and that willingness and desire are related to mind. And whatever is related to mind is called psychological. So the concept of motivation, the idea of motivation is also called psychological, related to mind, human mind. Number 3, increase in efficiency. Whenever we succeed, a manager succeed, a superior succeed in motivating his or her employees or subordinates or staff, then obviously as a result we will find increased efficiency of workers. Right? Efficiency means the workers will try to work to the best of their abilities, to the best of their potential. We call it popularly to give 100%. So you can get 100% out of the employees as far as efforts are concerned. Okay, and that is ideal, that is best. If we can get 100% out of our employees for the organization, as well as it is good for the employees also. Number 4, 5, continuous process. Motivation is also called, all managerial functions are continuous. आप confuse नहीं होंगे, हर managerial function की जब भी बात होती है तो characteristics में continuous आता है, आएगा ही, क्योंकि all managerial functions are continuous. To be continuous means not arbitrary, not random, not temporary. It is permanent. Motivation is to be done on daily basis, weekly basis, every week, every day, every month, every year, till organization continues. A superior or a manager has to motivate his or her employees or staff or subordinates. हमारे अंदर में काम करने वाले लोगों को हमें कंटिन्यूअसली मोटिवेट करते रहना पड़ेगा, राइट? क्योंकि अगर आप टेम्पररीली मोटिवेट करोगे तो वो विलिंगनेस टू वर्क टेम्पररीली अराउज होगी, वापिस सबसाइड हो जाएगी. तो आपको टाइम टू टाइम मोटिवेट करते रहना पड़ेगा, एनकरेज करते रहना पड़ेगा, प्रोत्साहित करते रहना पड़ेगा तुम्हारे सबऑर्डिनेट को एज ए मैनेजर. नेक्स्ट, रिडक्शन इन एलटीओ. एलटीओ मीन्स लेबर टर्नओवर. Now labor turnover means every now and then your existing employees leave your organization and you have to keep recruiting new one. पुराने employees जो हमारे organization में खास करके उसमें भी जो talented हैं, skillful हैं, capable हैं, able हैं, trained हैं, experienced हैं, ऐसे employees हमारे organization से छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. हमें नए नए recruit करते रहना पड़ता है, उसको labor turnover बोलते हैं. And remember, high labor turnover is a negative signal, is a bad signal फॉर एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो जब हम मोटिवेशन करेंगे हमारे एम्प्लॉइज का तो हमारे एम्प्लॉइज में एक फीलिंग ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन आएगी, वो सेटिस्फाइड होंगे अपने आप से और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से, एंड दे विल नॉट थिंक ऑफ लिविंग अवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड ए स्टेबल वर्कफोर्स हमको अवेलेबल बनेगा. नंबर नेक्स्ट, अचीवमेंट ऑफ गोल्स बिकम्स इजी. जब भी हम हमारे एम्प्लॉइज को रेगुलरली मोटिवेट करते रहेंगे, फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव से, नॉन फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव से, एमेनिटीज प्रोवाइड करके, मल्टीपल वेज और मीन्स फॉलो करके, व्हेन वी कीप मोटिवेटिंग अवर एम्प्लॉइज, कीप एनकरेजिंग एंड इंस्पायरिंग अवर एम्प्लॉइज, गोल अचीवमेंट, टारगेट अचीवमेंट, ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीवमेंट बिकम्स इजी एंड पॉसिबल. वाइडर स्कोप. ये जो मोटिवेशन है उसमें खाली एनकरेजमेंट की, मोटिवेशन की, इंस्पिरेशन की बात नहीं आती, बल्कि इसमें बहुत सारे आयाम, बहुत सारे डायमेंशंस और एस्पेक्ट टच किए जाते हैं. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल एम्प्लॉय नीड्स आर टेकन केयर ऑफ, एम्प्लॉय मोटिव, राइट, डिजायर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज, इमोशंस ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज, विल पावर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज, टेम्पटेशंस एटसेट्रा. ऑल मल्टी डायमेंशनल एस्पेक्ट्स are touched related to motivation So it has a very wide scope. Okay, next, adapting changes. When we keep motivating, when we regularly motivate our employees, as a result, our employees will easily and without opposition accept the changes that we want to bring about in the organization. With the changing times, we will have to bring about changes in the organization, right? World changes now very fast. दुनिया बहुत फास्ट बदलती है, और फास्ट बदलती दुनिया में हमें हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में चेंजेस तो लाने ही पड़ेंगे. टेक्नोलॉजी की चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे, मशीनरियों के चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे, वर्कफोर्स में चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे, मल्टीपल डायमेंशन से चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे. और याद रखो, जब भी चेंजेस लाए जाते हैं वो जनरली अपोज किए जाते हैं, एम्प्लॉइज की ओर से रेजिस्ट किए जाते हैं. लेकिन तुम अगर मोटिवेशन देते रहोगे तो एम्प्लॉइज विल विलिंगली एंड ग्लैडली एंड हैप्पीली एक्सेप्ट द चेंजेस, adapt and adjust to the changes that we want to bring about in the organization. Next, ये सब एडवांटेज में भी गिनाए जा सकते हैं. और many points out of these characteristics can also be shown or included in importance, significance, merits of motivation. And next, cooperation and coordination can easily be secured. Employee cooperation, mutual harmony, right? Cordial relationship among employees, coordination among various activities being done, all can be secured in the organization. Conflict can be avoided, right, through motivation. And last out of the list that we have prepared, still, if you look at different authors and different experts' characteristics, there will be obviously difference. Additions and reductions will be there. But the last in our list is positive attitude. Through motivation, we can succeed in developing and inculcating positive attitude among our employees. Positive attitude says, I can and I will. मैं ये कर सकता हूं और ये मैं करूंगा. ऐसी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर, स्ट्रॉन्ग विलिंगनेस हम हमारे एम्प्लॉइज में पॉजिटिव क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड साइकोलॉजी से, experts say that a man can do what he or she believes to, right? Belief is everything, right? So positive attitude is very critical and important for efficiency, for achievement of goals, for success, and that can be developed among our employees through motivation. So friends,